I want to find the previous and next row number of the cell that contains clearing. Let me help you understand. First, I will create the row numbers by using sequence function. In the rows argument, I will use rows function because this function will return the total row numbers of a selected range. Now I will select my range. If I close the bracket and close the bracket, press enter, I have the row numbers ending 13 because the total row numbers of this range is 13. Now I will apply my logic. I will check where the clearing value exists in this range. Equal to clearing. If I press enter, it will return true if the cell contains clearing. It will return false if the cell does not contain clearing. I will multiply the row number with true or false. If I press enter, it will return 0 because we know false means 0 and true means 1. If I drag down the formula, I will have the row number of the cell that contains clearing and other cell will return 0. Now I will copy this formula and multiply with this row number here. I will paste it here and use multiplication sign and I will enclose the formula within round bracket. If I press enter, I will have the same result. Now I will assign a name to this formula by using let function. The name will be x. You can write any other name. Here I will use filter function to return the value. Array will be x and criteria will be x not equal to 0. If I close the bracket and close the bracket, press enter, I have the row numbers where the clearing value exists. So the previous row number will be this value -1 and the next row number will be this value +1. Again, I will assign a name to this filter function. I'll write y, comma. I will use vstack function because I want to stack the next row number below the previous row number. So first array will be previous row number, which will be y -1, comma, and the second array will be next row number, which will be y +1. If I close the bracket and close the bracket, press enter, this is my expected result, but I have to sort the number. So I will use sort function and close the bracket, press enter. You can see my result is okay. I hope you like this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.